Do you need a spare key for your vehicle? I'm going to show you how Tom's Key Company makes it super easy with our Key by Photo key cutting service so you can have a second key. You can save hundreds of dollars and hours of time by skipping the car dealership and coming to tomskey.com. Some vehicles require proof of ownership before a Key by Photo key cutting service can be used to cut your spare key. It's super easy to provide. Pull your vehicle registration out of the glove box. Snap a photo and upload it to include with your order. Our team will verify the ownership of the vehicle and ship the new key right to your door. Now, if somehow you don't have proof of ownership, no worries. Contact us, help.tomskey.com, and we'll explore other options. I'm going to call the car dealership for a key for this 2001 Toyota Tacoma.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling. How can I assist you?
I'm trying to find out, get another key for my Tacoma.
Is it just the key or getting it set up as well?
Just a key so I can start the engine. I need a spare.
Alrighty. One moment. Let me transfer you back to parts.
Thank you.
I see. Alright. One moment then.
Well, she was cheerful.
Toyota Parts, may I help you?
Yeah, I'm trying to find out what it takes to get another key for a Tacoma. It's a 2001.
It's a no one. Is it just a regular key or does it have a transponder on it?
But it's put it in the ignition and turn it. Flat key with kind of a plastic head. No buttons on it or anything.
Do you have the vehicle ID handy on?
Yeah.
Just make sure that it doesn't look like it has a transponder.
Okay.
And that transponder is like a security key.
Got it.
So I do have just a regular key blank in stock. As long as your keys haven't been replaced. So we're going to go off the original code for the original key. So if you have it replaced, then it's not going to work. Are you the original owner?
No, it's a used vehicle.
That's the only thing. If we cut the key and it doesn't work, there's a chance that might have been changed.
There you go. The dealership wasn't certain if the key they cut is going to work because it's well over 20 years old. So on an older vehicle like this, guess what? Our Key by Photo service, we guarantee it. So if the new key arrives and we can't solve the problem, no worries. Ship it all back, you get a full refund. It's that easy. When you add our Key by Photo key cutting service, you'll simply take 3 photos, turn the key with each photo, hold your phone directly above, and upload those to our website. With our Key by Photo key cutting technology, we will cut your new key, ship it to you. When it arrives, it'll already fit your vehicle. It is absolutely amazing. There you have it. We got 2 keys for this Toyota Tacoma. At Tom's Key Company, we guarantee that you're going to come away with a spare key. If for some reason it doesn't work, no worries. We've got great technical support. Reach out to us, help.tomskey.com, and we stand behind all our products with a full money-back guarantee. So come to tomskey.com today, save yourself a bunch of time and money by getting a spare key shipped right to your door. Once it arrives, it'll only take you a couple minutes, and you'll have another key working for your vehicle.